Are you tired of applying for the Schengen visa every time you travel? Want to explore the Europe hassle-free for the 5 years? In this video, I will reveal everything about the 5 years multiple-entry Schengen visa eligibility, the latest 2025 updates, application process, interview tips, and how you can increase your approval chances. Stay tuned till the end for the hidden visa secrets. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the more visa tips. Here is the chapter 1. What is the 5-year Schengen visa? It's a special long-term multiple-entry visa allowing you to travel freely across 31 Schengen countries for up to the 90 days per visit. Perfect for the frequent travelers from the India, Pakistan, UAE, Bangladesh and beyond. Why it's game changer? No need for the repeated application every year. It saves time, efforts and money on visa fees. Explore the Europe like a local. 2025 updates due to a 50% rise in application from the South Asian countries. Schengen countries are tightening their rules, so getting approved requires smart strategy. So the next chapter is the who is eligible for this. The frequent travelers with a strong visa history, previous Schengen visas, US visa, UK, Canada visas will help you. Second is the application with the stable financial proofs. Minimum bank balance is required approximate 5,000 to 7,000 plus US dollars. The business owners, professionals or those with legitimate travel reasons, proof of strong ties to your home countries like a job, family or assets. If you have passed the visa rejections or weak financial records, watch till the end for the rejection proofing tips. Here's the chapter 3, how to apply in 2025. Here's the step by step. First of all, step 1 is the gathering your documents, valid passport, minimum 2 blank pages and up to 3 years validity, travel entirety and accommodation booking, proof of income slips, tax returns, business documents. In 2025, new there is a non-scrutiny on the bank statement for 3 to 6 months required. Step 2 is to fill out the Schengen visa application form. Has appeared since 2023. India and Pakistan application need provided extra employment and financial details. In step 3, book an appointment at the right embassy. Apply at the embassy of the country you will stay in the longest. Here is a tip. The France, Italy and Spain have the higher approval rates than the Germany and Netherlands. Step 4, attend the visa interview if required. Question, focus on the job, travel purpose and finances. Practice it well. Step 5 are wait for the processing. It takes 4 to 8 weeks in 2025. Here's another chapter 4, secrets, tips for the 100% approval. Show strong ties at your home country, stable job, business ownership, property document and dependents. Choose the right embassy for the higher success rate. Avoid high rejection embassies like Germany and Sweden unless necessary. Have a clean travel record. Past Schengen, US, UK, Canada visas help tremendously. Submit the clear and strong financial proofs. Maintain at least 5 to 7,000 US dollars bank statement in your bank account for last 6 months. Did you know that 60% of the visa rejections for India and Pakistan happen due to the weak financial documentation? Avoid this mistake. In the last, we have the chapter how to use the 5 years visa like a pro. Maximize your visa, visit 3 plus Schengen countries to get the most out of your visa. Use the business and tourism, attend the conferences, event and explore the European trip. And one more thing is that travel hacks for 2025, book the dummy tickets and refundable hotels to improve your visa processing rate. What if your visa is rejected? Common reasons for rejection in 2005 is the weak bank statement or incorrect documents, inconsistent travel history, applying at the wrong embassy, how to appeal or reapply, fix the mistake and reapply with 60 days, show stronger financial and proof of the purpose. Try applying visa at different Schengen countries. Want to increase your chances? Watch our next video on most visas friendly Schengen countries in 2025. Link is in the comments. Comments below. Do you want to leave a visa consultation video? Let me know, subscribe and turn on the notification for the weekly visa updates and travel hacks. Share this video with your friends and family who need the Schengen visa in 2025.